and welcome to CLC Cosmetics. My name is Amanda. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun soap using two different colors and making a swirl pattern. So I chose blue and yellow because they are contrasty colors and I think that the yellow will really pop out. For this recipe, we'll be using our olive oil soap base, SLS free. Well, this makes a little bit of a mess, so if you prefer, wear gloves. But since I don't have any, I still wanted to create my soap. And I think it came out really well. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. I definitely did, and I think I have a good result. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!